सुत करी अनुग्रह। तो কৈশোর লীলা এখন যৌবন লীলা। Young life after 16 years, महाप्रभु যৌবন লীলা। विद्या सौंदर्य सद्वेश शंभो नृत्य कीर्तनई प्रेम नाम 17 प्रेम नाम प्रदानैस्य गौर दिव्यति यौवने। विद्या ब्यूटी, विद्या means knowledge and beauty. Sadhvis, very good scene. Shambho, Nritya, dance, Kirtan, praise, and give him Harinam Sankirtan. In this way, Mahaprabhu in the Yauvan Leela manifests everything. Yauvane pravese angil, anga vibhushan, दिव्य वस्त्र दिव्य वेश माल्य चंदन। विद्यार उद्धत्ते काहूं ना करे गण, सकल पंडित जिनी करे अध्यापन। विद्यार उद्धत्त महाप्रभु ग्रेट पंडित। In this way, never think anyone. Then he is teaching to all children. By where he chale kailo prema parakas, bhaktagal ya kailo vividha vilas. By where he was sick. In this way, this is not seed, but he showed manifest prema. Bhaktagalaya kaila vividha vilas. Then all devotees doing vividha vilas. तबे तो करिला प्रभु गयाते गमन, ईश्वर पुरीर संगे तथाई मिलन। After then, Mahaprabhu went Gayadham and he met with Ishwar Puripad. Dikhanantare vailo primero prakash. Then Mahaprabhu took Harinam Diksha. Nishe agaman puna Premera Vilas. Then he manifests praying. Sachi ke prem dhan tab advaita milan, advaita pailavi sarup darasan. Mahaprabhu gave prem to Sachi Mata. And Advaita Milan, because Sachi Mata avows to Advaita Charya. Advaita, you are Advaita. You broke my children, my Vishwarup. Vishwarup took sannyas. Advaita paila Vishwarup darshan. Mahaprabhu give darshan, Vishwarup darshan. Prabhuর অভিষেক তবে করিল শ্রীবাস। খাটে বসে প্রভু করিল ঐশ্বর্য প্রকাশ গুরু পূর্ণিমা ডে। গুরু পূজা ব্যাস পূজা তবে নিত্যানন্দ স্বরূপের আগমন। प्रभु के मिलिया पाइला सर्वभुज दर्शन. After that, Nityananda Prabhu came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navatir Dham. Prabhu gave darshan sarvabhuj रूप. प्रथमे सर्वभुज तारे देखाइल ईश्वर. शंख चक्र गदा पद्म सांग वेणुर्धर. सर्वभुज और आर्म शंख चक्र गदा पद्म सारंग वेणु पाछे चतुर्भुज रहिया. तीन अंग वक्र दुई हस्ते वेणु बाजाए. दुई हस्ते शंख चक्र. तबे तो द्विभुज केवल वंशी पदन. श्यामंग पीत वस्त्र ब्रजेंद्र नंदन. फर्स्ट टाइम Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed to Nityananda Prabhu. First, he showed 6 arms. Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma and Venu. Playing Venu 2 arms. After that, he was Chaturbhuj 4 arms. 2 arms playing flute and 2 arms Shankha and Chakra. After that, he was 2 arms playing flute. Syamanga Pita Vastra Brajendra Nandan. Tavi Nityananda Gosai Vyas Pujan. Nityananda Avese Kailam Saladharan. After that, Mahaprabhu offered Pushpanjali. Nityananda Prabhu Vyas Puja. Guru Datta Balaram. Nityananda Aves. So Nityananda Prabhu, he took all musal. तबे सची देखिल राम कृष्ण दुई भाई. तबे निस्तारिल प्रभु जगाई माधाई. After that, Sati Mata have seen Ram Krishna दुई भाई. Krishna and Ram both are Nitai Gaur. After that, Mahaprabhu उद्धार को ले जगाई माधाई. तभी सप्त प्रहर छिल प्रभु भावावेशे. यथा तथा भक्तगण देखिल विशेषे. 7 प्रहर. 7 प्रहर means 10 hours. Mahaprabhu too much भाव मूड बड़ावे शैल मुरारे भवनी. Mahaprabhu, he had Varaha Murti Varaha Avish. तार स्कंदे चढ़ी प्रभु नाचिला अंगने. तभी शुक्लांबरे भरे कोइल तंडुल भक्षण. After that, Shuklambar Brahmachari house. Then he eat rice. Hare Naam Shlokir Kailaya Artha Vivaran. Hare Naam, he spoke. Hare Naam meaning Hare Namo, Iva Kevalam. Kalau Nasteva Gatirannatha. कलिकाले नाम रूपे कृष्ण अवतार. नाम हईते होय सर्व जगत निस्तार. दांड लागी हरे नाम मुक्ति 3 बार. दृढ़ता. In this way, this slow, this verse spoke 3 times. Hare Naam, Hare Naam, Hare Naam. In the Kali Yuga, only one process, Harinam Sankirtan. केवल शब्द पुनरपि निश्चय करण ज्ञान युक्त उपाधि कर्म निवारण अन्नता जेना मने तार नाही कनिस्तार नाही 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 तीन उक्ति ये वकार तेरा हईते नीच हईया सदा लविनाम very deep mode, ordinary mode, chanting Harinam. Apani niravimani anna diviman. Give him respect to anyone. Taru samasya isnuta Vaishnava karive Varsana tarane kake Kichu na balive. If someone speaking something, don't speak. Katali tarujana, cutting trees, but trees never speak. Sukaiya mare tabo jal na magai, died, but never tell or give me water. Ei mata Vaishnava kare kichu na mangiri. Vaishnava never tell or give something. Ajatita vritti. If someone give, you get it. King Varsat fall khaive. Otherwise, spinach fruit eat. Sadanam laivi jatalaviti santos. এই মতো আচার করে ভক্তি ধর্ম পোষ always chanting Harinam and when it find then everything was happy. In this way following bhakti Urdhvahu kari kahun suno sarvalo nam sutre gathi par kanthe slok. Yeah, this chapter is very long. प्रभु आज्ञा यही श्लोक आचरण अवश्य पाइब तबे श्री कृष्ण चरण. Mahaprabhu told everyone, chant Harinam and took this verse. Kinadapi Sarit, Tarurapi Sarit, Avani Mana. This verse can read all the time. Mahaprabhu told, follow this slow verse and chant Harinam. तभी प्रभु शिवा से निरंतर रात्रि संकीर्तन कोइल संवत्सर. 1 year Mahaprabhu did kirtan in night. Shiva's Pandit house. कपाट दिया कीर्तन करे परम आवेशी. पाषंडी हासिते ऐसे ना पाए प्रवेश. Close the door. Then a whole night they are doing kirtan. Pasandi, so many atheist persons they are coming. But they want to laugh but cannot come inside. Kirtan sune baire tara joli puri mari. Then they have fire, jealousy, quarreling. They want to give punishment or disturb to Shiva's Pandit. एक दिन विप्र नाम गोपाल जपाल पाषांडी प्रधान से इधर मुख बचाल. Gopal Japal, one Brahma he is atheist. Then he took Bhavani Puja Samakri, Durga Puja Samakri. Ratri Shiva says there is Than Le Paiya. Outside on the door, clean there. After then, keep one banana leaf, so keep some flowers, sindur, haldi, rakta chandan, tandul, and keep wine. Pratakale Srivas Tata Dekilo. In the morning, Srivas Pandit have seen. বড় বড় লোকেরে আনিয়া বুলাইলা সবারই কয়ে Srivas হাসিয়া হাসিয়া Srivas Pandit laughing spoke to everyone. নিত্য রাত্রে করি আমি ভবানী পূজন আমার মহিমা দেখো ব্রাহ্মণ সজ্জন ও ব্রাহ্মণ or Sajjan, intelligent person, you can see every day night I am worshipping Durga Mata. तभी सब शिष्ट लोग करे हाथ, then all persons they are very unhappy. कोई कर्म ही था, कोई लक्ष्मण दुराचार, कोई गुंडा, कोई bad person. Who did this? हारी के आनिया सब दूर कराइल, जल गोमाय दिया से स्थान ले पाइल. After that he cleaned with gobar. 3 दिन रही से गोपाल चापाल, सर्वांगे भइल पुष्ट रही रक्तधार. Then Kushta. Then Gopal Jabal, after 3 days, he was sick. Always problem, too much painful body and burning. गंगा घाटे प्रेत कतले रहे तो बसिया. एक दिन बोले कि जो प्रभु के देखिया. One day in Ganges bank, he is sitting there. Then he had seen Mahaprabhu. ग्राम सम्बन्धे तुमी आमार मातु भागिना मोई कुष्ठ व्याधिते हइया थी बैठो. Oh Mama, I have problem.
Talking with Ganga?
No, to Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu came one day there. Then he spoke to Mahaprabhu. Prabhu, I am very, very unhappy. Please save me. এত শুনি মহাপ্রভু কইল ক্রুদ্ধ মন ক্রোধাবেশে বলে তারে তর্জন বচন. Then Mahaprabhu was very angry. Then he spoke too loudly. আরে পাপী ভক্ত দেশি তোরে না উদ্ধারে মুখ কোটি জন্ম এই মতে কেড়া খাওয়াইব. এই পাপী sinful man, you have jealousy to devotees. I never said to you. Korona janma, koti, million, billion life. Always incense beating you. शिवा से कराइली तुई भवानी पूजन कोटि जन्म हवि तोर रवि पतन. You worship him to Srivas Pandit or Srivas Pandit worship to Bhavani Mata, Durga Mata. Korona janma, million life going to hell. পাষণ্ডী সংহারিতে মোর এই অবতার পাষণ্ডী সংহারি ভক্তি করে মো সঞ্চার এত বলি গেলা প্রভু করিতে গঙ্গা স্নান সেই পাপে দুঃখ ভোগে না যায় পরা in this way Mahaprabhu took Ganges took bath in Ganges but that Vaishnava Aparadi, offender persons, Gopal Japal, always feeling painful life. सन्यास करिया जबे प्रभु नीलाचले गेला तथा हईते जबे कुलिया ग्रामे आइला after then Mahaprabhu took sannyas then he went Jagannath Puri. When he came, Mahaprabhu came again in Navadvip. Then that offender man took shelter to Mahaprabhu. Then Mahaprabhu told okay. हित उपदेश कइलो हइया करो श्रीवास पंडितेर स्थाने आछे अपराध तथा जाओ तेओ यदि करे न प्रसाद You made offense to Srivas Pandit. You must go there. If blessings, then your offense going. তবে বিপ্র লইল শ্রীবাসের শরণ তার কৃপায় হইল পাপ বিমোচন After then he took shelter to Srivas Pandit Gopal Chapal. Then Gopal Chapal was free from sins. আর এক বিপ্র আইল কীর্তন দেখিতে দ্বারে কপাট না পাইল ভিতরে যাইতে Only one Brahman came. Then on the door closed, cannot go inside. In this way he was very unhappy. Then told to Mahaprabhu, oh, in night time I have gone, I cannot go inside. I give him cross to you. That time he told, okay, your family life will be finished. No family life. Mahaprabhu told, oh, very happy. प्रभुर साप वार्ता सुने श्रद्धावान ब्रह्म साप होइते तार होय परित्राण If someone hearing this Brahma Sap, then never touch him any Brahma Sap. Mukunda Dattere Kaila Danda Parasad Khandilata Chitte Savapasad. One time Mahaprabhu gave punishment to Mukunda Datta. Mukunda told Prabhu, when Krishna Prem coming, when I can found the Krishna Prem, pure bhakti. Mahaprabhu told, Prem bhakti, not possible. How long time, Prabhu? Please tell me. Oh, this emily tree. How many leaves here? Same way, your life will be past. Million, after million life, then you will get prema. That time he laughed. Oh, very happy. Oh, Mahaprabhu told me, then I will get Krishna prema. Mahaprabhu told, okay, now go. Now we can get. आचार्य गोसाई प्रभु आचार्य गोसाई रे प्रभु करे गुरु भक्ति ताते आचार्य बड़ो है दुख मति चैतन्य महाप्रभु give him respect to Advaita Acharya, his guru. Then he was very unhappy. Advaita Acharya, already he is old man. and Guru teaching to everyone. So Mahaprabhu, his boy, so in this way he give respect to him. But Bhangi kori gyan margo korilo bekham. One time Advaita Acharya changed and he spoke gyan margo. Krodhavisi Prabhu tari koilo avagya. One day Mahaprabhu was very angry. Beat to him. Kavi Acharya Gosai Ananda Bhaila Lajjita Bhaiya Prabhu Prasada Karila. After that Mahaprabhu gave mercy. Murari Gupta Mukhe Suni Ram Naam Lolate Likhilata Ramdas Naam. Then what? Murari Gupta always chanting Ram Ram Ram. Mahaprabhu told, okay, you are Ramdas. You are following to Ram. In this way Ram Nishtha, so Ramdas. Sidare logo patre koila jalpan, samasta bhaktare dila ishta varadan. So Mahaprabhu going to one devotee house, very poor man, Siddhar. And always he is selling thod, mocha, kela, banana flowers, thod, so many things are simple, very little money. Mahaprabhu always going there and taking. Siddhar, give me mocha, banana flower, banana, and not give him money. One day Mahaprabhu came his house and he has only iron pot, a very small iron pot, so to drink water in this pot. Samasta bhaktare dina ishtadhan. Haridas Thakur hiri korila prasad acharya sthane matar khandailo aparad. Bhakta Ganesh Prabhu naam mahima kahila suniya paduata arthavad kahila. One time Mahaprabhu spoke about Harinam, glory of Harinam. Then some atheist chhatra, student, spoke, this is no good, this is false. Name Stuti Suni Prabhu Haila Dukha Savari Nisedila Yar Na Dekhiya Mo. Don't see to him. Sachali Sagani Giya Kaila Ganga Snan Bhaktir Mahimata Karilo Vekhan. Mahaprabhu spoke about bhakti. Jnana Karma Yug Dharmi Nahi Krishna was. Krishna was ek hetu, Krishna prema ras. Murari ki kahi Prabhu Krishna was kaila, sunani suniya Murari slok, kahite lagila. One day Mahaprabhu spoke to Murari. Kam daridra papiyan Krishna Sriniketanam Brahma Bandharite Smaham Bahubham Parirambita. एक दिन प्रभु सब भक्तगण लैया संकीर्तन करे वैसे श्राम युक्त भैया. एक आम्र बीज प्रभु अंगने रोपिल ततक्षणे जन्मिया वृक्ष बाड़ीते लागिल. देखते देखते वृक्ष लागिल फलिते पाकिल अनेक फल सबई विस्मृते. One day Mahaprabhu took so many devotees and then they are doing Sankirtan. After them they sit together. Mahaprabhu took a mango seed and put in the ground. At once plant coming. Then big tree, all